So, in today's video, we are going to do how to say Nojus correctly. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because everyone pronounces that name incorrectly. Like, for example, if you try to say Nojus, but instead you pronounce the word Nojus, just like when you try to say no and just, but instead someone will remove the T and then putting these two words together and sound like it was butchered up. But I'm going to tell you the right way how to pronounce that name. So the two words that we're going to use for that name is noise and then yes. Because it will be, just a perfect word for that name, but we're going to pronounce it correctly. So you're going to use the word noise, okay? And instead of saying the word noise, you're just going to say noi without the S and the E part. So the pronunciation will be correct for that name. And then the word yes. But instead of the word yes, we're going to say yes, which the E part will be replaced with a U. So it will be yes. And combining that, these two words will be noyus. Noyus. And there you have it. If you did pronounce that name correctly, then good for you. But if not, then keep pronouncing that name until you correct it properly.